Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to go over our uranium daily technical analysis update. I know I haven't been doing them every time. Just been trying to get bigger overall pictures before doing this, but I'm going to do it today so you guys can get an update on the uranium sector. Lots of strength in the mining companies themselves. We've also seen strength in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. And I do think that they are correlated, and money flows do correlate across these sectors. So let's dive in. I'll give you my financial opinion, and we'll take a look here. So we've had a pullback here in the futures prices. We're down to $46. Is this thing going to turn around here shortly, or do we have one last basically leg out of this? Difficult to say. But the mining companies, looking at them, they're looking quite strong. So I think that we're probably pretty close to hopefully a bottom here. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. Let's go to the dailies here. We've broken out of the downtrend line. We've had a good support right where this long-term support line is, or not super long, but somewhat of a long-term. Nice, good bullish engulfing. We're heading higher, and hopefully the momentum can continue to the upside. We got a little bit of selling pressure today, but we've broken the downtrend line. Uranium heading higher. Nice, good contact point at support. We had a bullish engulfing down here, and we're heading higher. Broken the downtrend line. Looks quite good. Finished pretty strong today, but looking a lot better. CCJ, Camco, moving higher. Small little update, but again, it's better than where we've been sitting down here. But looking good. We're still within this long-term channel, and looks good. Goviax, nice big bullish engulfing yesterday. We had a bullish engulfing about a week ago. We've broken the downtrend line, and we're heading higher. Nice kind of flat day today, but yeah, that looks okay. Bannerman changed to ticker symbol BNNLD, not F anymore, D. They changed their pricing, and we were heading higher today, up 13.2%. Looking good, nice strong finish. Global Atomic, basically squeezed up into the corner here, is breaking to the upside. Looking fantastic for Global Atomic. This is one that I purchased down in this general vicinity as it squeezed up. And if you guys were part of the Finding Value website, you would have known that. And you could have acted whenever, with whatever interest you guys have. Moving on up, Forces Metals, looking good. This one also has that form of basically squeezing up. And we broke to the upside, so that's good. It looks good. Pure Point Uranium, right on support. This one might be one to look at if you have a little bit more of a risky exploration type profile that you want exposure to. Deep Yellow moving sideways for the most part on its support line. This would be one that looks pretty good. We've got Paladin Energy, a little bit of selling pressure throughout the day. It was still an up day because it gapped up, but we are now above that support line, which is right there. Sky Harbor moving a little bit higher. That looks pretty good. Nice, good, strong finishes the past couple of days, but looking good. Canalaska, I think, released some news on a potential hit, and it's been rocketing higher here. So that's looking quite good. Next Gen Energy up a little bit, bouncing off that support line, looking quite solid. We had a 47 or 48% downward movement, found support. It's starting to move higher. Base load up 2%. We're right on support level. So that'd be one to look at. Fission 3.0, basically coming down, squeezing up into this corner here. Probably a good time to be looking at it. Fission Uranium Corp moving higher, up 5.88%. We're above all these support lines, all but down here. We got to get through this resistance level right there. That's in front of us. Kazatomprom heading higher, 10.3%, looking strong, finishing strong, is strong. We do have basically this downtrend line that's being broken right through here, and it's breaking out above that. Looking good. Good volume on that too. Peninsula Energy moving sideways. Again, kind of, yeah. Let's just go to the yearly on this because this one day screws up the chart there. But Peninsula Energy up 0.92%, just moving sideways. We've got Boss Energy right at support. This is a pretty strong support level. This would have been the spot to be looking at it. Consolidated uranium moving higher, bouncing off the support level. That looks good. Lotus Resources, LTSRF. Again, right at support, looking good. Heading higher, it's right on the support level right now. U-Roy, me-Roy, we're all Roy. It's moving higher, Roy. Bouncing off support, looking good. Nice strong finish. Encore Energy moving higher, that's looking good. This is somewhat of the, we've got a nice strong resistance line that we're trying to break through next. That's right where we're at. You got what I need. Bismarcky, that's Bismarcky, buddy. Moving higher in UU, still bouncing off that support zone and heading higher. That's good. URG heading higher, finishing strong, looking good, bouncing off that support area. UEC heading higher, looking good. That's also, you know, we're not in the clear, but it's looking better than what it was before. We got nice momentum. LEU looking very strong here. Nice strong finish. We're right at this basically resistance level going all the way across here at this white line. We got to break through that next. LTBR moving higher, breaking through its resistance line, looking strong, is strong. ISO Energy moving higher. The whole sector's moving higher, highly correlated to the overall markets, but that looks good. Appy Energy moving sideways. Denison Mines heading higher, looking good, bouncing off this support level. We've got Forum Energy Metals breaking through this downtrend line. That one's looking quite strong. Are we going to get a retest? We'll find out. We've got Anfield moving higher. That looking better. Laramide getting a down day when most things are up. Doing a little bit of opposite. There's Laramide. Still looks really strong down here. Nice big solid up day. Small little down day today. Still looks good to me. Western Uranium Vanadium. Nice little hammer pattern. Sometimes they're kind of a dead man. They're called dead man at the top, but we'll see which way this thing breaks. UEX-CF heading higher. Nice momentum. Nice strong green candlestick today. Breaking above its resistance line. This looks really good for a move higher for UEX. Mega Uranium. Nice big 12.5% up day. It is a bullish engulfing. We had another bullish engulfing down here. We have another bullish engulfing over here. This looks good for a move higher. Standard Uranium, it looks like it's trying to put in some work here, going to try to break through this resistance level. It's getting some buying pressure. It is very low. Valor Metals heading higher, looking good. We got to break through this resistance line going across. Elevate doing well today. This was actually yesterday. It's Australian market. That's doing well. And 92E, this is a favorite amongst a lot of the exploration companies. But that looks good. It's still above its downtrend line. So that's looking good for the overall sector, guys, for uranium. I think it's nice and strong. If the momentum can continue, I think we could see a nice little rally here that we're in the middle of. Again, I'm just holding on. I think if the overall markets remain pretty resilient, I think the uranium market will do pretty well. The whole sector will. But right now, it looks strong. Hopefully, it can continue. If you guys want to know my opinions on my favorite companies that I'm loading into, sign up to the website Platinum membership. It's down in the link below. You can see what I'm buying, why I bought it, and what I think is looking good in other sectors as well, not just uranium. It also has a lot of financial education and a lot of things that could help you as an investor. And you can go month to month. That's all I've got, guys. Give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.